Lovely car to drive.
Yes, that's right, lovely. My grandfather had one as a company car.
All right.
Yeah, company cars have gone down since then. Good motorbikes coming down here. MG ZT. Is that the V6 there? No, a bit of customization going on here. More MG ZT, but we've got the MGF here, a very early one here, I'd say. Of course, these came out in 2000, I think it's October, November 2005 originally. Brought them out. New range of MG Roadster sports cars. I think the TF came out around about 2002. So various ZRs, ZS's. Lovely old van there, that's a Vauxhall van. Vauxhall van, you've got a Rover 75 here. Of course, Vauxhall, totally different make altogether. Now owned by Peugeot in the last few months. Big French company. Rover 200 Coupe here. And various other cars which I have identified. Quite rare, that Rover 800 Coupe. ZT Tourer there. The sales office for the Cofton View, a new housing development being built. So many houses being built all around the country. Scourge of the countryside. Well, you can see most of the factory, if you go down the main road, of course, is they're built on with housing. Anything else? Got the Europeans here as well. So you can see there, with Dutch there. Nice Jaguar here. Super V8, well, not built in the factory, but lovely British car anyway. All the in from Germany and Holland there. And the sales office for the new housing development. ZS.
I'm not Gemma, I'm Emma. Well, we're looking for Gemma as well. Gemma was off by the MG side.